Random razor. Teehee. Alright, it is nearly 5 a.m. You can't see that, but trust me, it is. There you go, 4:41. I have been writing code for way too long. This thing is now 118 lines. And we're just going to do a quick demonstration. We're going to click F5 and we're going to click enter. Now we're running the thing. It spits out a whole bunch of crap that I don't know how to get rid of, and trust me, I'll get rid of it eventually. Then we click play over here. This will play a recorded thing from the Easy Plus through my speakers into Pulse Audio, which will play into this. Here we go. Click start. Boop. I'm going to skip forward a bit. This is kind of quiet. Here we go. UM. Playing back audio.
National Weather Service Office in Tulsa. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Weather Radio. All summary. This concludes this week's test of the NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards public warning system. We now return to our normal programming.
Nice. Now I'm just going to add an attention detect, which is going to be slightly complicated, but it's going to be a very modified other script that I totally didn't write. And then EAS generation, we're probably going to do not only EAS generation, which is easy to do, because we're just taking a header and just creating one. It's easy. But the whole reason why it's split up like this, specifically, is we're doing EAS to cap. Pull that off. Anyway, I'm gonna sleep now, because I need to get up in like a couple hours. So, yes, good night. I'm gonna sleep.